Hey guys, I'm Deepthi and today's video is gonna be us welcoming summer with some nice lipstick shades. So as part of my every week Saturday upload, I am back with another lipstick video. I hope you guys are not bugged. If you are, I don't know what to do. I think it's interesting to talk about lipsticks every now and then. I know not a lot of you guys are like me, like welcoming summer and all. I am okay with summers actually. Not that I like the very hot weather. Not like where I live, the summers are better. It used to be. Bangalore used to have really good summers. It used to not be this hot and dry. But now it is like that. It is quite hot. The reason I like summer is because one, I have no insulation in my body. I feel like I cannot take winters. I will be shivering and I need like 2 blankets to keep myself warm, and I just feel cold and my bones hurt. I like it. I like to wear those winter clothes. I like it. But the clothes don't dry easily. You have to wait for the sun and to soak up all that vitamin D. There's only this much time left. So, but during summers, you have throughout the day to wash and dry anything you want. I don't feel as cold and I just can wear like light, breezy outfits and just weird. I know I think I'm the only weirdo who likes summers. Maybe me, my mom and I, yeah. We're the weirdos who like summers. But anyways, I spoke a lot before the thing. Okay, come now. So let me speak about the bunch of lipsticks that I have. I know I can hear some of you guys be like, oh, here she is with another long ass video. No, I'm going to try to make it short. Stop it, please stop chatting. So this is what happened. This is like around 4:30 right now. So this is like my 3rd or 4th video. So I start to get chatty. Like I get too comfortable in front of the camera. Anyways, let's get started. Let's start with something affordable. So the first one is this Insight Cosmetics non-transfer lip color. This one is in the shade Satin Rose. Such a nice pink shade, such a nice formula, again very comfortable, very pigmented and beautiful. Even if you don't really like pink shades, you would still really like this. It's not too much in your face, it's not too bold, but it's not too subtle as well, so you would really like this particular shade. I'm done with one. The next one is a pretty recent purchase for me. This is the NY Bay Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Snuggle Secrets. I got this one after I watched Nidhi's video, Nidhi from Trend Diaries, and the shade looked beautiful on her. So I got this one, but this one looks a tad bit too dark on my lips and it looks like a brown lipstick. So I thought this is very similar to Shambhala liquid lipstick in the shade 484. I still do believe that, but this one has a little bit more of a plum undertone to it. Very beautiful on the lips. I just don't want to keep only bright shades for summers. Something that is a little bit subtle, something a little bit mellowed down, and this shade would look really nice on people of medium tan and deeper skin tones. And I really like the formula of this as well. Look at the packaging. It reminds me so much of the Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks, but the formula is not like that. That is a lot more comfortable. This can be slightly more drying but very long lasting as well and very pigmented on the lips. So a lot of you guys, I can see you guys enjoy that. And then a lipstick that I really like, this one is the Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick. This one is in the shade Truffle Brown, sort of like an orangey brown shade. Not so much orange, it has a lot of like terracotta earthy undertones to it. I love the formula of these lipsticks, and this is very pigmented, very long lasting and very affordable as well, easy on the pocket. And this shade I feel like would look really nice on a lot of different skin tones. Looks really nice. You can wear this without makeup as well and it wouldn't pull you down. And then everybody's favorite shade, the Faces Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Magnetic. I know a lot of you guys really like tea rose, but I feel like sometimes tea rose is just a little bit too bright for me. I don't really want that. I want a little more mellowed down, subtle version, and I feel like Magnetic is my shade. I don't really have to wear makeup with this, and I feel like the shade would look really nice on a lot of different skin tones. You guys are going to enjoy the shade, the formula as well. Very long lasting, very comfortable, lightweight formula. So I know you already have this. I'm sure a lot of you guys already have this. So yeah, if you already have it, then pick it up, start using it. And then how can I forget this one? This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. I know I've never mentioned this in any other video other than my 100 nude lipstick video, but I love this shade. I don't know if you can see the dent on the bullet. but that's how much I've been using this. This is like my go-to everyday shade right now. I feel like it goes with every single outfit. Sometimes I feel like touch of spice and all that, or even toasted brown can be a little bit off with certain outfits, with certain makeup look or anything, but this one just goes with everything in my opinion. Looks really nice. It's just like my lips but better kind of shade for me. So if you are deeper than my skin tone, I don't really know how this would look on you because it looks just like my lip shade, just a little bit darker. So I'm not sure, but I think you could still pull this off with like a lip liner or mix it in with your favorite shade. But for people up to like medium skin tone, I think it's a beautiful shade to try out, to wear even underneath mask. I wear it most of the time, so lightweight, doesn't like move around too much. And because it's a lighter shade, cleaning up is a little bit easier and reapplying is a big perk for that product. And then Sugared Matte Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Claire Underwood. A lot of you guys have asked me for a dupe for this one. I have found one. It's going to come up in my affordable dupes for affordable lipstick video. So this is a very warm toned brown shade and looks really nice. This is like a preference. If you like those kind of shades, you would like it. Some people like a little more deeper, little more cooler brown shades. Some people like browns with red undertone to it, but this is like a straight up brown shade, sort of like a yellow brown. So it might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I love this shade. And then how can I forget this one? The Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade 483. It's what I have on my lips right now as well. Such a comfortable formula. You can wear this underneath mask and it doesn't feel like something is touching it all the time, like something is like moving around, something bleeding and something that's like sticking to your mask. It doesn't feel like that. It's very lightweight. And also if it bleeds a little bit, you can again clean it up really easily. These are very easy to handle lipsticks. They're very user friendly. Like even reapplying it is very easy. Touching up is very easy. Like even if there is some kind of like bleeding or anything, clearing that up is pretty easy with these. And they are long lasting, pigmented, and so many different shade selection. Okay, like I was going to drop that. Next I have, like I mentioned, I have a couple of sugar lipsticks. These are from their newest launch, the Sugar X Wonder Woman collection. So I just have a few shades that I have to talk to you guys about. I like the entire range, but these stood out to me and I can see myself using them a lot more. So this one is their creamy matte lipstick in the shade 01, that is Love Leader. Such a nice peachy pink kind of a shade, has certain mauve undertones to it as well, very different and looks really nice on the lips and also feels very nice on the lips, very lightweight. You don't feel like there's something on your lips even, and even when you eat it's not like moving around messy. I have had like good meals with that and I didn't regret it at all, so that's something I had to include. And then of course the same range, this shade number 05 Love Child, not so much a deep pink shade but something that looks really nice on a lot of different skin tones. And even if you don't really like bright pink shades, you should try this one out. I don't think you would be regretting this shade. And yeah, it has sort of little bit of earthy undertones to it, like little brown, little peach undertones. So beautiful. And again, something that I couldn't dupe easily. I swatched all of these and couldn't dupe them. Then their liquid lip lacquer, the 24-hour lip lacquer, the shade 06 Spunkwise. What a beautiful brown with like orange undertones. So nice, you know, looks so good. And I've worn this without makeup as well. And I feel like it's such a warm shade for this warm weather. So that's the reason I decided to include this one. These are pretty sticky when you first apply it. I did mention it in the sugar review video as well, if you guys haven't watched that. So when you first apply it, it's just like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick. But after some time, no stickiness at all. The Maybelline one is not like that, where you can't even purse your lips together because it'll keep transferring, but that doesn't happen with this. And once it's settled down, it's very long wearing and not very drying on the lips. But if you have very dry lips and you detest liquid lipsticks, you would probably still not like that one. But I'm someone I can handle it as long as it's not flaking, crumbling and falling all over my chin. I can handle it. That's something that I did really like. And the next shade is 04 Gracia or Gracia. What do you call this? Gracia. I'm going to say Gracias. Okay, so this one is a pink shade. sort of like the Too Faced Bend and Snap liquid lipstick shade, but has a little bit more warm undertones to it, but looks really nice on the lips and would suit a lot of different skin tones. And as you guys can see, this time I didn't feel like including a red liquid lipstick. Okay, if you really do feel like you should try out some red, I think you should try out the Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi liquid lipstick in the shade number 06. Such a orange toned red shade, like almost like a true red shade with slight orange undertones to it. Very, very long wearing, and these are some things you should wear underneath the mask. But I just feel like I have enough of reds, worn too many reds in this lifetime, that I want to give it a break. So that's the reason I'm like switching towards pink, browns, want to experiment a little bit and try out different shades as well. And then the next shade I have is from Kiko Milano as well. This one is their Lost in Amalfi liquid lipstick, just like the red one that I mentioned. This one is in the number 04. Such a bright, sort of like a peachy, terracotta, orange. I don't know how to describe the shade, but you can see from the swatch, such a beautiful shade. But this one, to get an even toned application, is sort of a difficult task because it's such a bright shade. Has a little bit neon undertones to it as well. Once you apply it, it settles in. Matte, very, very, very long lasting. This collection from this brand is so underrated, and I'm not sure why the brand is not pushing this and why nobody else is talking about it, but amazing. And you can buy it on buy two get two most of the times, at least when I bought it. And then sugared liquid lipstick in the shade Telita, pink, just straight up bright pink. If you like those kind of shades, you would love this. And I like to pair this with like white outfits, yellow outfits. It just pulls in the look together and makes you so happy. That's what I like to do. I like to play with colors during seasons, and it just blends in. So yeah, that's the reason I chose this particular shade. Really nice, but maybe not everybody's cup of tea. And then I think the most expensive lipstick from this entire video is this one. This one is the MAC matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Marrakesh. I got this a while back and I cannot stop using this one. Such a beautiful shade. Again, has a little bit of orange to it, a little bit of red to it, a little bit of like brown to it as well. So beautiful. And again, I feel like there are a lot of other shades from MAC that get all the hype, and these don't really get those. So I really wanted to mention this shade. I love this, you guys. Just love it. And if you guys are like, hey Deepthi, I need a dupe for that, maybe I already found a dupe, or maybe I didn't. Stay tuned, because all these MAC bullet lipsticks, all these MAC bullet lipsticks are gonna be duped in a video. Yes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know your favorite lipsticks for the summer. It's not like, you know, certain shades are the only ones you have to use for this particular season. It's just that, you know, sometimes when the weather is warm, you wear like brighter shades of clothes. So these brighter lipsticks might complement those. Or when you're wearing like light, when you're keeping like your outfit simple, you can just brighten the look by wearing like a bright lipstick. You never know, you can wear whatever you want. You can wear a dark lipstick. I do that. It's no like hard and fast rule, but I'm just like trying to blend in. So during the winter months, I like to wear like deeper shades. During the summer months, little brighter shades. So yeah, let me know if you have any particular shade like that. And also give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket.